Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off fingerprint on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, if you suspect that your fingerprint data has been compromised or if you are concerned about someone coercing you to unlock your device, temporarily disabling this feature can add an extra layer of security. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, navigate to the settings menu on your device. And once you are in the settings menu, look for the option Password and Security. Then tap on it to access the security settings of your device. So within the Password and Security menu, locate and select the option for Fingerprint. Okay, and then enter the code or pattern as required to access the fingerprint settings. Once you have successfully entered the unlock code, you will see a list of the fingerprints that are currently registered on your device. So, tap on the fingerprint that you want to delete to select it. After selecting, you should see an option to delete the fingerprint. Tap on this option to initiate the removal process. Once you have confirmed the deletion, the selected fingerprint will be removed from your device and you will be taken back to the fingerprint settings menu. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off fingerprint on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.